so we already got this thing apart now. We're gonna go ahead and finish removing the rest of our emissions. We're getting rid of the front flapper, we're getting rid of the charcoal canister, and right now we're putting on block off plates. So come over here and take a look at the top of this motor. See how clean it is? This bike only got about, I think it has exactly 702 miles on it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and removed the 3 Phillips screws that are in this. So you go ahead and pull it off and pull the other one off, and that's all there is. Alright, so we got the MWR 21 ZX10 Velocity Stacks, very nicely labeled. We got our left side and we got our right side. So let's go ahead and we'll put this on. Obviously left is left, right is right. The big difference is, if you guys get confused, the left has a little cutout right here, and other than that, you really can't put the right side in. You know, it requires it. I guess you could if you mess up, but don't do that. You know, the trick is to follow the directions. So you're gonna go ahead and put your little Phillipses back in. All right, so I went ahead and I got our 6 bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and screw these things in. They're not crazy. They don't need to be over tightened. It's just a little snug.
So for owners out there with a ZX10 Thibault, for the Velocity Stacks modification, can they get just the Velocity Stacks, or is there any other mod that you would recommend in conjunction with it for them to really get the full power out of it?
I mean, just the Velocity Stacks is fine. You can run just the Velocity Stacks with a stock filter, and the bike, you're gonna see tremendous power additions. We did already dyno this bike. I'm sorry, not this bike, but we've dynoed other bikes with these Velocity Stacks, so we know they work. And it doesn't matter if your bike's stock or if it's built, you're gonna see power. As far as other mods to do this with, no, you don't need to do anything. But once everything's done, will these work better? Then they'll be definitely. It's just everything's going to be better with them. And these things, the way they bolt on and the way they look mounted is amazing. So I mean, these things are nice.
So there you guys go, and of course, if someone wants to order these, they can hit up FastByFew, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I got them, and this is what your airbox is going to look like with the MWR World Superbike combo and the Velocity Stacks, which I do recommend highly. The best.